In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Wix site in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to a new audience or simply want to switch things up, adjusting your site's language is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your site's dashboard. This is your command center on Wix, where you control most of the settings and manage your site. If you aren't aware, the dashboard is where you'll handle anything from tweaking design elements to viewing your site analytics. It's handy and user-friendly, so getting familiar with it is always a good idea. Now, direct your gaze to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll want to locate and click the Settings option. The settings are the backbone of your Wix site, offering you the ability to adjust anything from payment methods to more advanced configurations. Today, we're going to focus on language, so let's keep moving. Once you're in the Settings section, your next step is to find the Language and Region area. This part of the settings allows you to customize your site in alignment with regional preferences and needs. Whether you're catering to a local audience or providing a multilingual site, this section will be your best friend. Feel free to explore the different options available here, but for now, let's concentrate on changing the language. As you look under Language and Region, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Site Language. Click on this menu and you'll find a list of languages that Wix offers. Go ahead and select the language you want to use for your site. It's as simple as that. The list is quite comprehensive, so no matter which language your target audience speaks, you're likely to find it there. Finally, to ensure that your changes would be applied, you need to click the Save button. This button secures all your modifications and updates your site to reflect the new language settings. Remember, failing to save your changes would mean all your efforts would go to waste, so always make sure to save. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on your Wix site. Feel free to explore your site and see how the changes look. The ability to adjust languages allows for greater outreach and customization, making it an excellent tool for engaging with diverse audiences. Keep this guide handy for the future in case you need to change it again or help someone else. Thanks for tuning in and happy site building.